What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. Today we're doing my third close formation training sortie. I'm flying with Dave today, an experienced aerobatic pilot, experienced airshow display pilot, and formation pilot. And in the RV-4 today we have Michael, and we are going to be doing some close formation practice, including brakes and rejoins. But as you'll find out on the transit out to our training area, we have hit some almighty mountain wave turbulence, which made for some very interesting formation flying. So sit back and enjoy.
We have 2 good engine starts. You're clear to disconnect the headset. We'll see you on the left with the pin. Thanks a lot. When you're ready, you can start sliding your way into Echelon now.
What does that mean?
I don't know, it looked like he was conducting an orchestra, to be honest.
I thought it was one of those prayers.
Yeah, exactly. I think, fly the picture.
We're a bit unlucky that it's always bumpy when we're doing formation.
It is, yeah, but trained hard, fight easy, yeah?
Yeah.
But I agree with you, it's always nicer when it's smooth, but you'll enjoy it even more then.
Yeah.
It's so bloody epic. That's really nice there. That position there you've got now, that's perfect for your Echelon, yeah?
Yep.
And if it does get bumpy and you're finding that it's not good, we can just very slightly space out, and it just makes things a lot easier, because then you're not having to worry about a nudge sending you dangerously close, you know?
So yeah. That was a bump, not me.
That's okay, don't worry. Nice, no problem at all. Doing a good job. So, pushing down, go forward on the stick. Initially throttle can stay where it is, because he's keeping plenty of smash on. Establish yourself into that plane, balance the rudder, check your references. Nice. That's good teamwork. It's challenging in these conditions, you're doing a grand job. So, keep that picture. Keep rolling out. Go. Okay, so, pulling up a little bit, throttling as required. Yeah, it's pretty fucking lumpy, isn't it?
Yep. I'm just going to say slightly further displaced, like here.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
Very
Yeah, the key thing is do the conditions, you know, whatever you feel happy with. And what you don't want to do is be in a situation whereby you're either feeling that you're outside your comfort zone, or that you're working too hard.
Yeah.
That you're going to just become totally knackered, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot rougher than the other day.
Yeah, way rougher.
We've got to hope that over the coast is better.
Yeah, I hope so.
You know, because...
Hoping just beyond this cloud here, we can climb up and then we can head out that way on top, if you're comfortable with that.
Hey, Burp.
Oh, fucking brilliant. We need to get those magnificent men in the flying machines. They go up the up, they go down.
Oh my god.
They're avoiding collision and hitting the ground. Yeah, this is fucking brilliant.
Oh, here we go.
Hey.
Here we go.
Now we're talking. Right, let's get in.
Yeah.
Turning to the right, go.
Okay, here we go. So, anticipating the push down, so forward on the stick. Lovely. That's nice. Very nice. Good. And we're holding that position now. Jockey the throttle just to hold exactly where we need to be. Nice and smooth. Relax ourselves. We're just dropping a little bit low. There you go. Back on the plane. Good.
This is Golf in India, we're at Mike ready out.
So again, we're dropping a little bit there. Just there you go. He's coming back out of the turn, that's fine. So we're dropping because he's turned without saying, but that's fine. Just once you get into formation, you'll just naturally fly the picture anyway, right?
Yeah.
No matter what they say. But yeah, that's a nice Echelon position there, Seymour, if you hold that through the manoeuvres, yeah?
Yep.
So if he's going to give us a left,
Turning left,
here we go.
go.
Right, pulling up on the stick now. There, that's much better, much better. Establish that plane. There you go. That's it. Now you got it. Very nice. You see the difference there when you actually pull more coming in?
Yeah.
And now just make sure we keep that throttle in so that he doesn't get away from us around the turn. Lovely. Lovely. And if we need it a little bit of left rudder, if it feels like he's turning, see the way he's gone away from us now? A little bit of left rudder.
Runway 12.
There you go. There you go.
Good afternoon, pass message.
Dropping a little bit low, pull back. That's it. Establish yourself in the plane.
Rolling out,
Pulling up again.
go.
Just slipping in a little bit. That's it. Nice. Anticipating the roll in now, throttling back. Not bad at all. He came out quite sharply there, but you anticipated it nicely. Well done.
Right, go.
All the basics are coming in nicely. Yeah, much better. Now you're holding it, that's nice. Looks gorgeous, doesn't it?
Looks great.
Now get ready, he's going to start a roll out very shortly.
Rolling out, go.
Anticipate with the pulling up. Perfect, so nice forward and aft position there. All we needed to do was anticipate pulling back slightly more, okay?
Yeah.
But that was really nice.
To do the brake practice here.
Yep. Happy? He's going to do brake, call you for brake practice.
Hey, Verb, we are happy.
Two clear brake.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, shall we do
Okay,
it?
yeah, let's go for
We're
it.
right. Here we go.
So say
This out.
2,000, 3,000 and coming round. There's a visual, got him?
Visual. Visual.
Right, now, let's come down now. Remember, we're going to get...
3,100 feet, heading 236.
Perfect. So we've got visual all the time. We're going to come down below now to be below and into that 2-span off position, yeah?
Yeah.
The prop's a brilliant brake when you've got the variable pitch.
So about there, what do you think?
Yeah, that's fine as long as you keep them visual. That's it, alright. That's you in your weight position, okay?
Will I go for
Two
this?
clear joint.
There you go. Right, so now we're going to come up. And then in. Happy?
Yeah.
Right, so we'll do that again. Now once you're in, you call 2s in.
Is it?
Okay, so
129450.
nicely done, well done. That's good, perfect, Timur. And sometimes you have to jockey the throttle like that. You held the position beautifully. Ready? Clear on the right there. Ready for the brake when you are. Okay, so 45 degrees. When you're ready, bump and pull 1,000. Call 2s out.
This out.
And there's 3,000 turning. There he is. You got visual?
This visual.
Perfect. Alright, perfect.
This it.
Two's clear brake.
Okay, just clear on the left, Timur. Whenever you're ready, go.
Okay, clear left, let's go.
Okay, 2s out.
This out.
3, and reversing. You got visual?
Yeah. Visual.
Two's clear echelon left.
This.
And then in we go. You visual, yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Two's in.
Beautiful.
Okay, you're clear for the brake.
Enjoy. Watch this and enjoy it.
Two's out. Visual.
What? 3,200 feet heading towards the coast, through the gap in the clouds here.
Copied.
You're clear to join.
Clear joint.
And then we'll have to do one. We'll have to come around to the right, I think, for to get back into this gap.
Yep. Okay, so look, if we're VMC on top here, basically the terrain is to the left, okay? So if the donkey quits, turn 90 degrees to the right and there's loads of landable fields, okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Oh, he's coming in hot.
Yeah, I think he's overcooked it.
Overshot this one.
That's alright.
Okay, we'll come 10 to the right. Yeah, we're gonna have to do a right turn here, I think. It's gonna have to be, actually, no, we'll come left. That'll be easier for him to join.
Yeah, he's joining just now, so what I'd do is give him a platform just now, and then once he's joined, you can make a turn to the left, okay?
Yeah.
Two's in.
Beautiful, here we go.
Copy, one, backing left, go.
Beautiful. And the thing about it is, as long as you don't descend, we're going to be okay here. And if you wanted to, you could even do a very, very slight climb if you needed to maintain VMC, okay?
Okay, I think we should be okay with this.
I think you're going to be okay. You've actually climbed 200 feet already.
Yeah.
So, it's working out real pretty. Look at that view of them in the clouds.
Yeah, just one off the Pennine now to see what's like.
Nice, so we're running up the centre here. Our features, river curving. We've got the disused castle at Bailey and Kilkerran dead ahead. We've got our bearings.
Excellent.
Coast is behind us, all looking good.
2, you're cleared to brake for a simulated blind brake.
Copy.
Here we go, this will be a nice break to see with the sun. Yeah, there we go.
2,000.
Perfect. Now he's going to call simulated blind, so as soon as he calls his altitude, we're going to separate, okay?
Yep.
Not seen blind, 4,100 feet heading 030.
Okay. Say 1, roger.
1 is 3,800. We're now descending, heading approximately northeast.
Good afternoon, Ryanair 6969, a hotel with information code Tango 1022, request outlook to Edinburgh.
And Chief, it's okay with you, we're a bit tight on fuel, so if you want to take maybe the lead on the left side, we'll do 1 seat bank with you in Echelon right, and then we'll head back straight after that, if that's okay?
All copied. RV is now taking the lead and becomes 1.
Okay, we're becoming number 2.
Starting a seat left, turn to the left, turning left, go.
Okay, so let's anticipate pulling up. Easy, there you go. Nice, power, power, power. More power, left rudder, more power, more power, more power.
I'm trying.
There you go. A little bit low on the plane, so pulling up. More power if you can.
Yeah, I'm trying.
There you go. You feel the load factor on your performance, don't you?
Rolling out, go.
Okay, so pushing, nice, right there. There you go. Not bad at all, Teamer, not bad at all. Right,
Okay.
so let's GTF back to RTB.
Yeah, that's RTB.
Copy.
Visual impress.
Starting a left turn now, we'll head towards Dude.
Beautiful. Okay, it's going to get lumpy and shitty. There we go. The weather hasn't disappointed, huh?
No. Landing is going to be fun.
Nah, it should be fine once we're down there. It's because we're close to the terrain here.
Okay.
It's smoothed out. If you want to come in closer, it's up to you.
Okay.
Just do whatever you're happy with, Teamer, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice to go 3 Tango. Are you happy to proceed to I-block this time for your RMP approach? Unmanaged Golf 3 Tango. Correct I-block and you're cleared RMP approach at runway 1.
Make sure final for run and brake.
2 and direct.
On brake left hand, 1907 knots. Speed run and brake, eagle formation.
Beautiful. That's nice. Nice and relaxed. Doing a great job. Keep it going. He is your world. Don't worry about anything else apart from just watching him. That's
Gonna run 6969.
a little bit of power. Lovely. Beautiful.
Just got a flight test back, so we're going to shut down, have a chat with the engineers, I'll give you a call back.
Lovely. Just holding the throttle to keep yourself in position.
If you're happy, we'll put a delay in the 1300 off
Nice.
marks.
Very nice.
Yeah, sure, no worries, that's perfect, thank you. Ryanair 6969.
Eagle formation, brake, go.
Okay, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8 and visual brake. 2. Say 2 in the brake, visual 1.
2 in the brake, visual 1.
Well, that's it, folks. Hopefully you've enjoyed this formation training sortie, and if you're interested in following my journey as I hopefully get closer and closer to doing formation aerobatics, then subscribe for future videos, and hopefully I'll catch you in the next one. Adios! And before I go, make sure to check out my new website for buying and selling aircraft, WINGLIST. We've been adding many new cool features, making your life browsing the aircraft classifieds as enjoyable as possible, and it is still currently free to list with us for a basic ad. So feel free to browse WINGLIST, share it with your aviation community. That would really help us out, and hopefully I'll catch you in the next video. Adios!